more traffic. I'm not even going this way. I need to get over. Come on. Let me over. Let me over. There we go. Alright. Alright, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this traffic. Oh, man. As soon as I jumped on the Beltway. So, I came to the conclusion that I need to start leaving a little earlier. I do give myself about 45 minutes to get to work. And I'm only about 12 minutes from the shop. But when traffic is involved, it sometimes takes me an hour. Normally Mondays and Fridays are, pretty easy. And when school gets out, it's pretty much easy sailing on the Beltway. But this year has been crazy. So it is what it is. I'll start leaving out around 6:45 just so I can be there an hour. Well, 20 minutes before the scheduled appointment. So anyway, today we have 2 stops. It's a pretty busy day. We have 2 stops. One is at my shop. It's a Maxima, and which I think that entire vehicle is like high strength steel. And then we have another hail car. It's just the roof. The body shop wants to paint everything else. Don't know what the reason is for that, but I'll take the roof. The roof, actually, we counted every single dent, and it has 526 dents in the roof. So I don't know if I'm going to be done today. Maybe some of you hail guys that are listening, you probably go, I can blaze through that. I might be able to, I don't know. But I mix a little bit of hail with route, so I'm a little slower on the hail than someone that just does hail. So we are going to try to get through the day. It's probably going to be a long day. 7, 8 o'clock by the time I get home. This is Monday, so this is our live Q&A day. So I got to try to get home, take a shower, and all that good stuff before 9 o'clock. So I will bring you guys along like always, and next time you see me, we'll be at the shop. Hope you guys can see, but I have to basically use a socket to actually move this. It flexes. No go. That's the one thing about this light that I do not like. And it's not even the light, it's the actual attachment to it that they sell. But yeah, just go ahead and spend the money on a never loose if you do use this light on a daily basis. I do like the Ultra Dent Tool stand. I will say a lot better. So that's why I use the Ultra Dent Tool stand in most of my videos and not the one that they sell. So definitely would recommend the Ultra Dent Tools with the Never Loose adapter if you guys are interested in this light. So let's get Alright, so it's the end of day 2. I got 95% of that roof done, and we'll catch back up tomorrow. Alright guys, back for day 2 of this project car. Just got finished eating some breakfast. So let's get started. Oh, just to give you some information, I did not finish. I got to cross check about 5 or 6 more dents, and then I should be done, I think. So we'll look at it and see what's left. Okay guys, all right, let's go. Not too bad.